police regular police personnel amaga chamanaba power function privilege responsibility protection sab manana village defense force to pi gadam ne basi ailana iraga yaurga lei pali balengak sina bidep singi biraga soina pibir kane ba choba saju tamjari aduga Arun Kumar Singh president Impal district village defense force employees welfare association ngasi tang taraga mari January gi 2026 koina ngasi appeal mifam haiba tare amo chathajari basi all Manipur village defense force employees welfare association na matam sangna tamna lakwa demand sing koi pali balenga sina fulfill ohen bida badagi koi ge penda da badagi lairiba Manipur gi district tra tukta lairiba village defense force singna pirakpa akan ba pressure magaloina na koina hogiba 2025 ki December gi tang kunga humdoi dagi sankhel laiba arm down pen down strike siga mari lenana Manipur lengakta athuba matamda akoi gi demand sing fulfill tobinana ba appeal tawjabagi khongjang hai jaba tare adu ngasi mai Imphal higher secondary ground je koi pangthok chabani adu bo koi yam nungai ba paw amasu lei ngarang nan ningdawga numit koi gi home department gi masak thongbo official sing koi all Manipur gi level da koi mifam phamine hayeng January ki tang 15 bong manungda sunjoi soidana order pina honagani karigumba masida kitang no mamani ni ma pandar ga su thengdarabada date 15 jigi matungda 2 days gumba 3 days gumai manungda sunjoi soidana koina taliba demand jigi manungda khoidiki maru oiba pay structure semba pochimadi hana sunjoi soidana yaba pirani habagi information lei from reliable sources koi file je honorable governor yore na koi tajai adana madu athu matamda ishorna thogjan bidana honorable governor na nuksi bidana dai pali balengak sina bidep singi biraga soina pibir kane ba choba saju tamjari aduga sunjoi soidana haiba government na koi da thabiriba matam sida soidana pibina na bagi appeal ju Imphal West district village defense force employees welfare association na appeal tawjari force na talisi tasengba gi masi tanbam thokte maramdi akoi gi over requirement rules mati channel lejai 1861 police act ki section 17 da village defense force lobuni ministry of home affairs ki letter gi matungina approval gi matungina sida akoi gi rule che section 19 da akoi gi rules yaurga lei maduri yauriba rule che police regular police personnel amaga chamanaba power function privilege responsibility protection sab manana village defense force to pi gadam ne basi ailana iraga yaurga lei adubo implement to widaba to widaba mana morga regular police personnel amna phangiba benefit tu chapana phangdabana mana morga atuki matik pikna piba sumanjina hingmang amnarakta mana morga koi gi hojikse koi gi requirement rule su kitang thaidoga koi gi sapsaba pay structure am sembi haibani pay structure je government na committee ma constitute to biraga honorable governor gi athang matungina koi pay structure semre approval ngai approval gi file jine koi ngrang thengbo honorable governor yaure na koina tajabase adu nongmada 480 per day masi saraga adugi mathakta annually hana dagi koi 2022 dagi chanaraga lakpa annually 500 increment dumaga hana piba aduga ate koina tanjari ba koi gi hana thokraba order sing implement tokdaba amadi hoji koina taliba che kodam moina rakanda koi gi rank and file adagi koi gi ministry da approve tokdana leriba BD personnel sing approve toknabagi aduga koi gi all apa police department da arm personnel amoina thabak toriba singi uniform materials bo igera line of promotion gi bo igera reward ki bo igera pension scheme order thoga implement tokdana leibasing singuma mayam je loina mo pibiu haibane adu bhari ba pu singdodi process matam changa da mana marga hoji yam urgent needed oriba pay scale simadi pay structure simadi 480 per day sida bagi oine approve tawrage adu ataiduna government gi norms ki matung ina process tawge habani government gi site habse masi all Manipur gi context ta akoi ayaba pitokre ana haiba potu approval gi dam honorable government am submit tawbuni file one chakibani honorable governor ngang thengba yogre honorable governor na sungai chedana madu approve tawbiu hainu appeal tawgeri